Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm welcoming myself back to the channel. I know I haven't put out no content in a long time. I'm dealing with the COVID. I'm recording! They clearly don't care about my video. But what I was saying is I haven't made any content because I'm taking the Corona serious. And if you guys haven't noticed, something's missing in the garage. What is that? My E60 550. But for those who are new to the channel, I had a warranty, and the warranty kind of trying to find their way out on some BS. But so now I'm driving a nice little Toyota Camry. Yeah, so I'm renting that, and today I'm going to the car show, the BMW group, and a Camry. So thank y'all for being patient. Stay tuned. More content is coming. So today I'm at the BMW car meet with my Toyota Camry right there, and my girlfriend Samaya. We are practicing our safe precautions. I ain't getting close to nobody, but yeah, normally, you know, I have my E60 out here and enjoy the fun with my friends. Yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all see all the Beamers that's out here right now.
Every time 1-0, rather roll it back than a pre-roll. He wanna be with me. Wanna be with me. He can't he wanna see me wherever I go. My free time on 0. Told him roll it back, leave the pre-roll. Thoughts when I run, I'm like B-roll.
Hey yo, what's good, bro? You gotta head out?
Shit, what the fuck?
What's good? I just got here, man.
Hold on, let me pull up right here.
All right.
I came early today because I wanted to hit the dyno.
Oh, did you?
Baseline numbers, yeah, 426.
Woo!
Yeah.
Sheesh.
So I got some baseline to work on because I'm gonna get ready to do stage 2 catalyst downpipes. I should be up to like 5:15.
Hey, look, bro. When you do that, I want to be with you so I can record all of it
we'll
for
have
you.
to sync up because when I get everything on and we do the dyno run, you should probably film it or something.
Yeah, that'd be real dope. That would be real dope.
Yeah.
Shoot, what?
So it's being prepped and everything. Like I did my oil. I got one step called the plugs coming in. I did VRSF charge pipes just to hold better boost because the stock ones are plastic. So yeah, I mean it's getting ready to be properly flashed.
Okay.
So probably about a month or so.
Okay.
We should have everything on.
All right, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Nice seeing you.
Yo, good seeing you too,
I'm gonna hit you up though.
Bye.
How you like that?
Oh shit! I'm gonna go to 600.
Well, so I'm going 5% rear, 25%, 35%, and then 25%. So it'll be dark. And you have the V10? That thing sounds so good. It sounds like
put it on
F1
Dyno.
car. I know, this is next. Yeah, you're the last one. I'm staying for that shit. Your shit sounds like a Formula 1 car. Like
It is a Formula 1.
It is. It really is. This one does too, though. Like,
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
up in the RPM.
That shit felt like a punch. All right, boss, you gotta head out?
No, I'm about to go get something to eat. I'm coming right back.
Okay. Got a headache. That thing was loud.
They're more conservative, but they're red guts, with the black top, black rims, and black tint. That's what I really wanted when I went up there to get it, because I bought this straight cash. He sold it right there.
Damn.
The day as soon as they was like, if you would have put a deposit on it the day before, I would have been good, but I didn't. I wasn't thinking of going up there. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just go tomorrow and buy it.
And that's how it be sometimes. You wait just a little bit too long, that shit get gone.
But I'm still happy with her. She just hit 80.
Okay.
So, you know what I'm saying?
Are you gonna do anything to it?
Well, I lowered it. I put H&R springs on it. I'm gonna put an intake on it.
Would you do the intake that come out through the grill? Okay.
But I got a turbo leak. It might be my charge pipe. I don't know yet. We about to find out.
You still got a plastic one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it might be that. But the next thing I'm doing is down pipes, intake, and tune.
This about to be a big project.
Yeah.
I got you.
All right, so what's done to the car? It's a 2005 E46 M3. It has active auto work headers and a custom tune from EuroMpire. I'm getting, right now it's going into the shop for KW V3 coilovers and Apex SM10s and 18 by 9.5 square setup, 265s all around.
Nice, nice. And check out the halos in the front. Man, got a nice little beast here. How long have you had it?
So I got it in February 9th, and my license got suspended February 22nd, so I only got to drive for like a week and a half.
Damn.
Yeah, it's been sitting outside for a little bit.
Oh, you got the Alcantara wheel?
Yeah,
Alright, let's
6
go.
speed.
Oh my god, it's hot. Can I hear your AC on?
Really? Yeah. No, I'm gonna go take Hey, where are you going? Taking a little spin. I'm up next. Oh no, we're gonna be back.
We went to one, and it rained the day before. We had a cold front come through, and it was like 7 degrees the next day, dude. There was like 300 people. It was amazing.
I think, was I at that one? I think I did. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, yeah.
We'll make a lot of horsepower. I think what is torque? It's not real torque.
I'm running about 80, and all of a sudden I'm exactly what so you ready?
Those got to be like.
I'm like, that's what we doing. That's what I'm about. Like this, about 2 miles, right? At the end, 15 mile an hour, we go just like this. So we're seeing
Sounds really nice. Big shout out to EuroMpire for hosting this event, and big shout out to Charlotte BMWs for putting it together. It was a great event, great turnout. Got to meet a lot of new people, a lot of cool cars, and thanks for watching my channel, and like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.